Imagine retiring early just because you learned a new skill set online. My name's Wendy, I'm a grandma from Ontario, Canada, and that's exactly what's happened to me. I'm 55 years old. I was going to have to be working till I was 80 because we were stupid short for retirement. We literally got our financial act together late. I was trying for the last 4.5 years to figure out how I could earn online. Learned a lot of lessons, but I didn't earn a lot of money. Came across 7.5 months ago Daily Pay Blueprint. This was the total game changer. I literally have made over 460,000 Canadian dollars. Today is Thanksgiving Monday. I made today $1,230 on a holiday Monday because automations are working on my behalf, which is what I learned in this blueprint. Forbes says this: if you learn the skill set of digital marketing, is something that is going up, that is what people are looking for. So a high demand skill set. So when you learn that, you start to earn money. I wasn't doing that before, so I had it completely upside down, so to speak. You want to learn the exact same blueprint that has radically changed our life, that has allowed me at the end of this month to retire, put yes below. I'm going to share with you the blueprint. Check it out for you. This might be exactly what you've been looking for.